On October 1st, we reached 10,000 subscribers. That might not sound too unusual to you, but 10,000 is great. Some people think I should show a lot of excitement. My wife always says, "Aren't you excited?" And I say, no, I'm pleased. And so with 10,000 subscribers, I'm extremely pleased, but I try to contain my excitement as we work towards more. Now, 10,000 might not sound that unusual to you until I tell you that on January 1st, 2020, we had 100 subscribers. And we started our YouTube channel in 2010. So for 10 years, we got 10 subscribers per year and 100 total subscribers. Then starting on January 1, 2020, when we started running these weekly videos and you started watching, our subscribers have increased dramatically, and now we've gained about 9,900 subscribers since January 1 of 2020. So I am a little excited, but mostly very pleased. Along with those dramatic increases in subscribers has come a really healthy increase in sales, and we're extremely pleased and grateful for that, and we thank you. Maybe some of you have had the experience of believing in something with all your heart and soul, but no one else seems to. After 5 years, our accountant recommended that we close John and Bob's and said, "You gave it a good try." For many years, I went to every possible trade show and got used to thousands and thousands of people walking by our booth, seemingly uninterested. But regardless of CPA negativity and a seemingly unimpressed landscape industry, I knew our products were effective and really important. I believed and believe that lively soil should be the focus of gardening and landscape enthusiasts, and that's why we continue to work hard at it. The acceptance of our YouTube channel and the growth of our sales is really welcome, and we genuinely appreciate it. We would like to thank you, our viewers, and our customers, as well as our employees in our three related companies, Truxell and Valentino Landscape Development, Inc., John and Bob's Corporation, and Sierra Madre Nursery. My friend and John and Bob's user, Ryan, sent me a video of one of my favorite songs about believing in yourself, and that is pertinent to our labor of love here at John and Bob's. It's a song about rainbows, which are symbols of hope as they promise better times to come.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows, and what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions, and rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know they're wrong, wait and see. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. Who said that every wish would be heard and answered when wished on the morning star? Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it. It's done so far. What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing, and what do we think we might see? Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. All of us under its spell, we know that it's probably magic. Half asleep, and have you heard voices? I've heard them calling my name. Is this the sweet sound that calls the young sailors? The voice might be one and the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore. ignore it. It's something I'm supposed to be. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. La da da dee da da dum da 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 dum dee da da.
As I referenced earlier, strong supporters of our products were difficult to find in the early years, and I'd like to pay tribute to one of our biggest and best advocates. I met my friend Steve Goto at Cedros Gardens in Solano Beach in about 2004, and he was there advocating for his passion, which was tomatoes, and there were about 100 people there to listen to him teach them all about tomatoes, and they were sitting there hanging on his every word. My wife and I were at our booth where nobody was at, because not one person, because everyone was listening to Steve. So out of curiosity and maybe a little desperation, Donna said, I'm going to go see what he's talking about. So she went over and listened to Steve for about 5 minutes, and then she came back to me and she said, tomatoes? That day in 2004 was the first day that I met Steve, and we formed a strong friendship and working relationship. Working with Steve was great because he got it. He got the whole John and Bob's concept, and he believed in it as fervently as I do. I appreciated that Steve was always looking out for me and trying to maximize our resources. He had a fun way of looking at the world and explaining things. We went to a lot of trade shows in Las Vegas, so Steve said, let's stay at the Orleans. It's only $25 a night, and it's just like the Bellagio. And I said, I knew Bellagio was $500 a night, so I said, what do you mean it's just like the Bellagio? He said, yeah, the floors, the ceilings, the curtains, the walls, they're just like the Bellagio, so let's stay there. Steve was right. The walls are very similar. My friend Steve passed away in February of 2020, and I miss him. And I want to recognize his substantial contributions to our success. Thank you to all our employees and all of you, our customers and viewers, and let us know in the comments below what you thought of our music video, which is a departure from our normal fare.